Hi everyone, I'm Amar, CEO and co-founder of Elevated Signals. For the past 6 years, we've been building and deploying manufacturing software to help companies in emerging industries scale up quickly, efficiently, profitably, while maintaining strict quality standards. We now work with hundreds of companies around the world, and we've probably talked to thousands of people and companies over the years, and a few things have become clear. First of all, they're tired of antiquated inventory tracking software. Second, they're sick of tracking things on paper, spreadsheets, and binders, literally filling rooms full of boxes of paper that they could never put to use again. And finally, they don't want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on traditional manufacturing ERP software or building in-house systems, only to have to call developers and consultants every time they want to make a simple change to their processes. The companies that we work with, they're changing things all the time. They're improving their processes. They're investing in R&D. They're using scientific data to figure out better ways to change their processes. They're responding to trends in the market from their customer base and things that the world needs. So they can't be held back by software that's not as agile as they are. They need software and systems that adapt to them and to their company, not the other way around. One of the challenges with adopting manufacturing software for a lot of companies is the cost, the timeline, the whole procurement and purchasing process that goes into that. And also, as a startup or a scale up, you may not need like all the features. You're not going to try to custom build this thing yourself. We've invested in making a product that's very agile and responsive to teams that are dynamic, that are changing their processes, that are introducing new products. But right out of the gates, as a manufacturer, you might not need all the features, or you're trying to figure out which parts of the software, which modules you need at any given time. So what we're doing to make this transition easier is, for the very first time, we're introducing a free tier of Elevated Signals. The free tier includes foundational tools for inventory and quality tracking and provides a great way to get started for most companies on their digital transformation journey. So why are we doing this? Well, our company's mission is to construct intelligent systems that usher in a new era of manufacturing. The companies we work with in emerging industries are making really important products and supply chain improvements that are solving critical challenges for society, including improving access to medicine, like cannabis, food, energy, and water. And they're doing this with a lower environmental impact than ever before. We've been visiting these companies around the world. We know that there are countless startups and scale-ups out there in these industries that need access to better software, and they need it right now, not later. We want to do our part to help accelerate the growth of this new economy. And personally, I'd much rather have the people that are making these incredible products of the future focused on just that, improving their own products with R&D and science and data, refining their processes and products instead of worrying about software. You can leave that part to us, because software should make your life easier, not harder, and it shouldn't cost a fortune to get started on. With our free tier, your team can be digital from day one with Elevated Signals. It's going to be a much better user experience than anything else out there. And everyone, including your finance team, will get to see the return on investment. They'll get to see what it's like to use the software. They'll see the adoption from your teammates, and they'll get to experience working with our team, who's really invested in the future of the industry and your company as much as we are invested in our own. As you grow, we'll grow with you. And if you operate a company or work for any company that's part of this new breed of manufacturers, and you want a better way to operate your production, and perhaps you want to take advantage of our new free tier, then we'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.